Okay, let's start. Hello guys, welcome to NEET World. In this session we are going to see the JEE Mains PYQs of physics. So in last class we have seen some of the questions in PYQs, right? So in today's class we'll start with some more questions, and the first question of the class is like the given below are two statements. Statement 1 is two photons having equal linear momenta have equal wavelength, and statement 2 is if the wavelength of the photon is decreased, then the momentum and energy of the photon will also decrease. Okay, I need to check in the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer of the option given below. Statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. Statement 1 and 2 both are true, statement 1 and 2 are both are false. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So out of this 4 options I need to choose the correct option for the question, right? So first thing we need to know what is the relation between them, like momentum and wavelength and energy and wavelength, right? Yeah. So for momentum, P is equals to h by lambda, okay, and for energy E is equals to hc by lambda, right? Now these are the two equations we know. Now read the statement 1. Two photons having equal linear momenta have equal wavelength. Okay, so now what I should do? Equal wavelength, equal momenta they are asking. Okay, so P is equals to h by lambda, na. So in this, what are the given things? H is same, no, like photon having equal linear momenta, H is same, and lambda equal, they have, so we have, equal linear momenta have equal wavelength. This is the thing. Okay, I need to check here by using the equation. Yes, na? So here h1 by lambda 1 should be equals to h2 by lambda 2 by the equation, and equal wavelength, I have equal wavelength they told. So h1 h2 I will take as h, h1 is equals to h2 is equals to h. So right now h by lambda 1 should be equals to h by lambda 2, h and h will get cancelled, so lambda 2 is equals to lambda 1. Yes, option, statement 1 is true. What about the statement 2? If the wavelength of photon is decreased, then momentum and energy of a photon will also decrease. So if I see here, P is inversely proportional, no? P is inversely proportional. Yeah, someone having doubt, no, like here this one I have taken P1 and P2 both are equal. H is same, no, H is same here. Yeah, that's why. So H and H, right? No, yeah. So here if I see P is inversely proportional to lambda, E is inversely proportional to lambda. When lambda decreases, P increases and E also increases, right? No. So if wavelength of photon decreases, the momentum and energy also decreases. No, it is not decreasing, it is increasing. Now read the statement. Statement 1 is false. No, statement 1 is true. So option 1 I can eliminate. Statement both are true, they said. No, one is false, second one is false. So option 2 also I can eliminate. Both statements are false. No. So statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. So option 4 is the answer. Yes, right. Can we go for the next question? Okay. So the next question is, a current through a wire depends on a time as I is equals to alpha t plus beta t square, where alpha is nothing but 20 and beta is nothing but 8. Find the charge crossed through the section of the wire in 15 seconds. Okay. The thing we know is I is nothing but dq by dt, right? wait, I'll take a pen. Yeah. So I is equals to dq by dt. I can write like this, no, I into dt is equals to dq. Now integrate it. They are asking for like charge crossed through the section of the wire in 15 seconds, right now. So integral 0 to t I dt is equals to integral 0 to q dq. Okay. What is I now? I is nothing but alpha naught t is alpha naught t plus beta t square, right? So time is given from 0 to 15 seconds. Alpha, I mean I is equals to alpha t plus beta t square into dt. With respect to dt I am integrating, is equals to 0 to q dq. Okay. Now if I integrate this term, what will happen? Alpha t square by 2 plus beta t cube by 3. So limit is 0 to 15 is equals to, this is q. Okay, this is the q. I need to find the charge, no? So q. So if I substitute the values of t here, no, and they have given alpha and beta also. What is alpha? 20 and this is 15 square by 2 plus beta is 8 and this is 15 cube by how much it is? 3 minus, substitute the value of 0 here, alpha into 0 by 2 plus beta into 0 by 3, it is 0, no? So total term is 0 is equals to q. So what will be the final answer? So this is 1, I will write here, 20 into 15 divided by 2 plus 8 into 15 into 15 into 15 divided by 3 is nothing but q, right? Is nothing but q. So how much it is? This is 1 times and this is 10 times 1 and this is 5. So 15 square is 225. 225 into 10 is 250. Yes. Plus 8 5s are 40. 40 into 225. How much it is? 25 into 4. How much? 0, 2 and 8, 1. Right now 900. So in one more 0 you need to take. So 2250 plus 9000. Right, no? That's it, no? Yeah. So now add it. 90002250. Option, which is the correct option? Q is equals to 11,250. 11,250. Option 4. Yeah. Option 4 is the answer. Right now, option 4 is the answer. Can we go for the next question? Yes. So the next question is, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is given as isothermal, isochoric, adiabatic, isobaric. List 2 is pressure constant, temperature constant, volume constant and heat constant. So heat content is constant. So I need to match it. Isothermal, thermal in the sense heat, right? Is it? Temperature. Yeah. Isothermal, temperature constant. Isochoric, volume constant. And isobaric, pressure. And adiabatic, heat. Which are the options? Let me write the things here. So isothermal is temperature, E is 2, isochoric is volume, right? Which one? Option 3, no, yeah, B is 3. Adiabatic is heat content, no, C is nothing but 4 and obviously D will be 1. So which of the correct option is given here? A is 2, okay, I can eliminate option 3, B 3, no. So I can eliminate option 4 as well as 1. So option 2 is the answer. C is 4 and D is 1. Option 2 is the answer. Right now? So the next question is, the focal length f is related to the radius of curvature r of the spherical convex mirror by f is equals to r. No, like we know that f is equals to r by 2. No, yeah, f is equals to minus r by 2. No, it's not. F is equals to plus r by 2. Yes, option 3 is the answer. Directly we can say this question, like f is equals to focal length is equals to radius of curvature by 2. That's it now. We'll see the next question. Moment of inertia of 4 bodies having same mass and radius are reported as I1 is equals to moment of inertia of thin circular ring about its diameter, moment of inertia of circular disc about moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis perpendicular to disc and going through the center. Okay. Third one is moment of inertia of a solid cylinder about its axis, and the fourth one is moment of inertia of solid sphere about its diameter. So in this I need to take the option like which are the correct one right now. So first I need to check what are the moment of inertia of these 4 things right now. So I'll give a minute. Can you give the answer for this question now? So what are the moment of inertia of the first one? Thin circular ring about its diameter. Yes, it is. I will write here only. So first one is mr square by 2. What about the next one? Moment of inertia of circular disc about axis perpendicular to disc. Yes, this also mr square by 2 only. What about the third one? Moment of inertia of a solid cylinder about its axis. So this also mr square by 2. What about the fourth one? Solid sphere about its diameter. So this is 2 by 5 mr square. Right now? Now substitute the values, like let me consider m is equals to 1 kg and r is equals to 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter. Now if I substitute the values now, I need to get some values here. Like if I substitute here, it is 1 into 1, 1 by 2, 0.5 I will get 0.5. So this also 0.5, and for this also it is 0.5. What about this one? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 how much? 2 by 5 no? 0.0. So I will get 0.4 no? 0.4 is the answer. So when I see here this is 0.5. Okay, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 and this is 0.4. So obviously first one, second one and third one are equal, and these 3 are greater than the fourth one. Option 4 is the answer. Right now? Can we see the next question? Yes. The next question is, if an emitter current is changed by 4 milliampere and the collector current changes by 3.5 milliampere, the value of beta will be. Okay. So first, if I see the beta no, like how I can write beta? Beta is nothing but beta is equals to alpha by 1 minus alpha, right? No, but we know the thing, alpha is equals to collector by emitter, no? Collector by emitter, yes, current which is collector by emitter current, that's it. This is alpha and we know the alpha and beta relation. So from this I can find what is the value of alpha and substitute the value of alpha in this equation. So what is the value of collector current? It is 3.5 and emitter is 4. So I can write 35 by 40, which is nothing but this is 7 times and this is 8 times. So 7 by 8 is the alpha. I will substitute the value here. 7 by 8 by 1 minus 7 by 8. So 1 minus 7 by 8, if I take the LCM for the denominator, 7 by 8 will be equal, divide by 8 minus 7 by 8. So 8 will get cancelled. 7 by 8 minus 7 is 1. So which is nothing but 7 by 1. So option 1 is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. Okay guys. So with this we will end this session of the questionnaires. So we will bring some more question in the next class. So don't try to miss the classes. It is too important for the upcoming JEE mains examinations. Like whatever the questions we are seeing now, everything are PYQs. So it will be helpful for you guys. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Bye bye.